Hello friends, now we discuss about what is the polar system of coordinates. Suppose that let O be the fixed point which is called pole or origin. Let us suppose that this is the fixed point O, this is called pole or origin, and OX be the fixed straight line which is called initial line or polar axis. Suppose this is OX is the horizontal line which is fixed line. This is called initial line or polar axis. Suppose that P be any point on this plane. Let P be any point on this plane. Join P with O. Join P with O. OP is the radius vector. OP is the radius vector is equal to small r, and angle XOP, this is equal to theta, is the vectorial angle. Suppose that this angle XOP is theta and this is OP is equal to small r, which is called radius vector. You can see here this point O is fixed point, this is called pole or origin. This horizontal line OX is called initial line or polar axis. This is the fixed straight line. Let us suppose that P be any point on this plane. Join P with O. This OP is called the radius vector and denoted by small r. Angle XOP, this is equal to theta. Theta is called the vectorial angle. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर O एक फिक्स पॉइंट है जिसको हम पोल या ओरिजिन कहते हैं. O एक फिक्स्ड हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है, इसको हम इनिशियल लाइन या पोलर एक्सिस कहते हैं. P एक कोई पॉइंट है इस प्लेन पर और P पॉइंट को ओरिजिन से ज्वाइन किया गया है, पोल से ज्वाइन किया गया है. OP दिस इज कॉल्ड रेडियस वेक्टर. OP को रेडियस वेक्टर कहा जाता है, इसको r से डिनोट करते हैं, स्मॉल r से. एंगल XOP दिस इज कॉल्ड वेक्टोरियल एंगल and this is denoted by theta. Now the ordered pair r comma theta is called the polar coordinates of point P. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर P पॉइंट के पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट r comma theta होंगे. R this is the radius vector, theta is the vectorial angle. Now R can be taken in the direction of R can be taken positive in the direction of OP and R can be taken negative in the direction of PO. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ OP के डायरेक्शन में जो रेडियस वेक्टर R है, R इंक्रीजिंग के डायरेक्शन में R को पॉजिटिव लेंगे एंड इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ अपोजिट टू OP दैट इज इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ PO वी कैन टेक R एज नेगेटिव. यानी OP के डायरेक्शन में R को पॉजिटिव लेना है और PO के डायरेक्शन में R को नेगेटिव लेना है. नाउ वी कैन सी the polar coordinate of any point can be represented in many ways. Suppose this is OX is the fixed straight line which is called initial line, and P is the any point on this plane, and this angle XOP is equal to theta, and OP this is equal to small r. So the polar coordinate of P point can be written as r theta. आप देख सकते हैं कि अगर ये एंगल XOP थीटा के इक्वल है और OP स्मॉल r के इक्वल है तो P पॉइंट के पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट r गामा थीटा होंगे। If we rotate anti-clockwise direction in 2 pi angle, again we comes at the point P point, so polar coordinate of P point can be also written as r comma theta plus 2 pi. Again if we rotate 2 pi angle, again we comes at the point P again, so the polar coordinate of P can be also written as r comma theta plus 4 pi. If we again rotate 2 pi direction, 2 pi angle in anti-clockwise direction, the polar coordinate of P point can be also written as r comma theta plus 6 pi. आप देख सकते हैं ये एंगल थीटा है। अगर हम 2 पाई एंगल एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में रोटेट करेंगे तो P पॉइंट पर अगेन पहुंचेंगे। P पॉइंट के पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट r गामा थीटा प्लस 2 पाई होंगे। अगेन इफ वी रोटेट 2 पाई एंगल, सो पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ P पॉइंट कैन बी आल्सो रिटन एज r गामा थीटा प्लस 4 पाई। Again if we rotate 2 pi angle, so the polar coordinate of P point can be also written as theta plus 6 pi. If we rotate clockwise direction by 2 pi angle, again we comes at the P point, so the polar coordinate of P point can be also written as r कामा थीटा माइनस 2 पाई। आप देख सकते हैं जब हम क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में P पॉइंट से क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में 2 पाई एंगल रोटेट करेंगे तो अगेन हम P पॉइंट पर आएंगे। P पॉइंट के पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट को r कामा थीटा माइनस 2 पाई लिख सकते हैं। अगेन इफ वी रोटेट 2 पाई एंगल इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन, वी कम्स एट द P पॉइंट अगेन, सो द पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट कैन be also written as r comma theta minus 4 pi. Therefore we can see that in the polar coordinate system, polar coordinate of any point can be written as many ways. So the polar coordinate of any point cannot be unique. Now we can see again, suppose this is x and this is O point, this is fixed point OP, polar coordinate of PB r comma theta, this angle is theta. Suppose that this is in the opposite direction of P, this is point is P dash, OP is equal to OP dash. Now this OP dash is equal to minus r. So the polar coordinate of P point can be written as minus r comma, we can see here this angle is theta here, and when we add this pi angle in theta, we get the vectorial angle of P dash point, this is pi plus theta. If we rotate in anti-clockwise direction by 2 pi, we again come at the P dash point. So polar coordinate of P dash point can be also written as theta plus 3 pi. आप देख सकते हैं अगर ये एंगल थीटा है, इसमें पाई एंगल ऐड करेंगे तो थीटा प्लस पाई, दिस इज द वेक्टोरियल एंगल ऑफ P dash. If we again rotate an angle 2 pi in anti-clockwise direction. So again we comes at the point P dash. So polar coordinate of P dash can also be written as minus r comma theta plus 3 pi. Similarly, if we rotate again 2 pi angle in anti-clockwise direction, so polar coordinate of P dash can be also written as minus r comma theta plus 5 pi. If we rotate, suppose this is pi plus theta, if we rotate 2 pi angle in the clockwise direction, again comes at the point P dash. If we rotate 2 pi angle from P dash in clockwise direction, again we comes at the point P dash. So point P dash can be also written as theta minus 2 pi. Similarly, if we again rotate 2 pi angle, again we comes at the point P dash. So polar coordinates of P dash can also be written as minus r comma theta minus 4 pi. So we can see here every point in polar coordinate system, the polar coordinates of any point can be written in many ways. So in polar system, polar coordinates of any point can be written in many ways. Thank you.